What about others? All right. So children, as you can see, there's a syllabus link, there's a payment link, there's a feedback link, all batch details link. In case you have a query, you can email us, and you can drop us a WhatsApp also. In case you're facing an internet glitch, you can watch this demo live on Facebook. Okay. So now let me quickly tell you about the flow of the session. So first of all, you will get to know your mentor. Then you'll see a short PPT about the course details. And after that, you will learn how to access reading materials on the dashboard of Olympiad success from Pooja ma'am. And after that, you'll have the actual demo. And in case you have a doubt, you can always ask that in the chat section. We'll be happy to answer. Okay. So I hope the flow of the session is clear to you all. Johan Matthew, please switch on your camera. Okay. So everyone, are you ready? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, so let me tell you, children, that we have with us Meena ma'am, a wonderful mentor and a wonderful person to be with. You know, teaching is her passion and she loves to interact with kids like you. And I'm sure with each passing session, you will gain more conceptual clarity, you know, and that winning edge that you need in your level 2 competition. So I'm sure you're going to love her informative and fun-filled sessions. So I'll not speak much. I'll request Meena ma'am to speak to you directly. All over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Hi, everyone. How are you all doing? Enjoying the winters? I can see so many of you with sweaters and jackets and caps. That's nice. So children, as Pooja ma'am has already told, Monica ma'am already told you that I'll be your mentor for this session. And I have been teaching mathematics for a very, very long time. I mean, almost 3 times your age, like what Monica ma'am asked. So I have been teaching for so many years, right? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Okay, I don't know. I got disconnected from one of the gadgets. Anyways, so children, we'll be having a short, quick demo session today. And I am going to learn with you all. Are you ready to teach me? Because you all have cleared level 1, right? So there's so much to learn from you all as well, right? So it's going to be a mutual thing. I'll be learning from you and you'll be learning from me. You promise me that, children? Thumbs up, right? So together we'll be learning. And because this is for level 2, it will not be more of conceptual, more of practice questions. But if you need concepts based, some clarity on some concepts, I'm ready to be there. And whatever, even if it is small, even if it is a very small concept, please ask, because unless and until you ask, I'll not be knowing there's any doubt, because I'll assume that because you have cleared level 1, I'll be going for more and more practice questions for level 2, right? This is in general, that's going to be the flow of the classes for level 2. But if you need any clarity anywhere at any step, for any concept, children, please feel free to ask. Is that okay with all of you? Over to you, Monica ma'am.
Thank you so much, Meena ma'am. So I believe when children will solve and do the practice tests and level 2 mock tests, so solving those questions will automatically reinforce the concept. And I believe when you will revisit that concept and explain the concept, I think that will bring conceptual clarity to each one of you. Is that correct, Meena ma'am? Okay. So children, now let me share my screen. Just a moment, and then we are good to go. So I believe my screen is visible to you all. So a very warm welcome to the demo and interaction program for Class 4 Mathematics Olympiad Level 2 Batch 3. As you are already aware, Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exams. Olympiad Success Live is India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad's preparation. And School Plus by Olympiad Success is one of its own kind of annual program that includes 8 courses, which are really important at this point of time in your life, which include mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, both spoken and written, Vedic math, and coding. So here you can get one-on-one preparation classes for international mathematics Olympiads like SASMO, CMO, HKMO, TIMO, Math Counts, US Common Core Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, and PRMO. So you can get online CBSE and Olympiad classes for grades 6 to 10. You can meet our international rank holders for the year 2021-22 on the screen. They're all brilliant kids like you. So classes are going to be group sessions with batch size of around 20 students delivered through Zoom by seasoned tutors. You've already met your mentor, Meena ma'am. So you get 5 sessions per week, Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Note down the timing. The timing will be 5 to 6:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break in between. So the sessions would include topic-wise quick revision of chapters and discussion on previous year level 2 questions. You also get access to reading material and practice questions available in the dashboard of Olympiad Success and to level 2 mock test for maths. How to access those you will learn very shortly in the virtual tour. Now syllabus is available at this particular link and fees can be paid by clicking on this particular link. It is going to be a 16 session course for which the fees would be rupees 3,720 rupees, and this fee includes online classes, daily reading notes and exercises, practice of previous year level 2 questions, and access to Olympiad Success platform for mathematics. Now, all that you require for these classes is a laptop or a desktop with good internet speed. Camera has to be on throughout the sessions and headphones for better audio clarity. So in 2021, Olympiad Success had students from more than 3,800 schools across India and abroad, hailing from 35 plus countries. Now the live classes for this particular batch begins from 18th of January, Thursday, 2024, which is tomorrow. So I hope you have noted down all the relevant details. Now I would request Pooja ma'am to take you through a virtual tour of the dashboard. All over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Good evening, young minds. How are you all? Let me share my screen with you. Hope you're doing pretty well. I believe my screen is visible to everybody. Yes. So kids, the moment you will type this olympiadsuccess.com in web URL, this page will open on your screen. Okay. Then after this, you have to fill your correct user details. Make sure that you fill correct user details, otherwise you'll not be able to open this page. Yes, the moment you'll fill your details, this personal detail will get open on your screen. So you have to just check your details properly that all these are correct. If any of the detail is incorrect, what you can do is you can just rectify it over here, correct it, and then you can just click on update button over here. All right. So after this, now I'll go on worksheet icon, wherein I'm going to attempt my mock test papers. So after worksheet button, I'll click on this select subject. Here I'm going to select my subject. Today we are in mathematics demo, so I'm going to select mathematics, right? So I'm selecting mock test paper number 1. I'll click on take exam. The moment I click on take exam, this general instruction will open on my screen. So I'll read all the instructions carefully that I should not face any difficulty while attempting my mock test paper. So once I've done with all these instructions, now I'll click on start worksheet. Now I can see there are 35 questions in my mock test papers. Yes, so I'm going to attempt all these questions carefully and properly. So here, right, you have to read the question and then you have to solve it and then you have to fill the correct answer. I'm just filling it randomly to show you, right? So this is a question. This, for example, if this is the answer, now I'm done with question number 1. I have to move on question number 2. So I'll click on next button to move on to question number 2. So for example, this is the answer of question number 2. I have to move on question 3. So now I'll click on next button. So in this way, I'll attempt all my 35 questions by moving on next button. And then once I'm done with 35 questions, so I'll click on finish button. Before that, I'll make sure that I have reviewed all my questions. Then only I'll click on finish button. So the moment I'll click on finish button, this icon will pop up on your screen. You have to click yes, I have reviewed all the questions. So now I'm done with all my questions and I'm curious to see about my performance, that how I have performed. Here you will click on later button, and now I'll click on right next to this worksheet button. There is a performance icon. So I'll click on performance icon, and over here I'll select the subject. Like I've given mathematics, so I'll click on mathematics, and here I'll select the worksheet. Right. So this is the worksheet which I have attempted today on 17th. And I'll click on view button. So after clicking on view button, I'll see that I have attempted 3 questions, all are right. So you have to make sure that whenever you're attempting your mock test paper, you should read it properly. You should attempt it carefully, that you should not do it wrong. All right. So this is how, then I'll log out my user ID. So this is how you have to attempt your mock test paper. That's all, kids. In case you find any doubt, you have any difficulty to understand the dashboard tour, please feel free to drop these questions in the chat box. I'll be happy to answer that. Let me stop sharing my screen. Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am. So Arjun is saying he got international rank 4 in IMO this year. That's great, Arjun. Congratulations. We are proud of you. Okay. So any doubt, anyone? Samaira, Arjun, Sanvi, Johan, Vedant, Riddhi. Riddhi, please switch on your camera. Ashaz. Any doubt, anyone? So Ashaz is saying no doubt. What about others? Riddhi, please switch on your camera. Are you sure you don't have any query? Okay, can you tell me the timings? Class timings? Type in the chat section. Don't forget to mention AM, PM. 5 to 6:15 PM. That's what Ashaz is saying. Do you agree, disagree? 5 to 6:15 PM is correct, incorrect. 5 to 8, Sanvi is saying. Okay. What about others? What do you think are the class timings? Vedant is saying 5 to 6:15 PM. Samaira is saying 5 to 6. Riddhi is saying 5 to 6:15. Now that's AM or PM? So Arjun agrees with 5 to 6:15. Okay, the timings are 5 to 6:15 PM. Okay. It's not 5 to 6 and it is not 5 to 8 and it is not 5 to 6:15 AM. It is 5 to 6:15 PM. Okay. Now, how many sessions are going to be there overall? Total number of sessions. So all the relevant links are there in the chat section. If you want, you can avail these links. So Ashaz is saying 16, Samaira is saying 8. Arjun and Riddhi are also saying 16. So yes, the correct answer is 16. Total number of sessions are 16. Okay. Any doubt, anyone? Anything you want to ask, something which is not clear, which is coming to your mind? This is the time to ask. No doubt? Okay, Arjun. Then shall we proceed with the demo? Shall we go ahead? Show me a thumbs up and a smile. Smile is missing from your faces. Sanvi is so serious. Okay. All right, all right. Arjun, give me that smile. Samaira has got a nice smile. Okay. Anshuman, why are you so serious? Are you ready for the demo? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, everyone is ready. All over to you, Meena ma'am.
Thank you so much, Monica ma'am. So children, are we all ready? Children, are we all ready for the class? Small class. Yes. Okay. So what topic do you think we should take for the demo? Okay. Okay. I forgot today you can't speak. So can we take factors and multiples? Chuta sa small demo. Okay. So we'll start with that. Children, I'll be sharing my screen, whiteboard. Is the whiteboard visible to everyone? Okay, that's good. So children, small warm up with the concepts like what are factors, what are multiples. I'll not go too much into detail because I believe you know all this as you've cleared your level 1. So quickly we'll devote more time to more practice questions. But because this is before I start, I'll just give a small warm up for the factors and multiples. We form pairs of products to get the product. What are factors? Okay. What are factors? Quickly write. What are factors? What are factors? Quickly. Okay. If I write two things there. Okay. If I want to get 8, how can I get 8? 1 into 8. I'm having a pair of two numbers which I'm multiplying to get the answer 8, the product as 8. Can I do that? Then there's one more thing, one more pair, 2 multiplied by 4. Still I'm getting the answer 8. Yes or no? Yes, 1 multiplied by 8 is also 8 and 2 multiplied by 4 is also 8. In both the cases, answer is 8. So when we are getting this same answer here, these numbers, 1, 2, 4, 8, they are all called factors of 8. You remember factors of 8? Factors, can you recall? Right? So the rule of factors, we have finite number of factors. So what is the smallest? Yes, Arjun, very good. Smallest factor of any number, big or small, smallest factor. Yes, Asha's very good. Yes, Sanvi, excellent. I'm getting so fast answers. Arjun, Sanvi, Johan, Riddhi, very good. Excellent. Yes, Vedan. Thank you so much for such quick answers and correct answers. Right. So 1 is the smallest factor of any number, big or small. Okay. And what is the biggest factor? Biggest. Yes, Aisha's very good. So the number itself. So here when we were talking of factors of 8, the biggest factor is 8 itself, right? For any number, that number is the, yes, Arjun, thank you so much. Yes, Sanvi, thank you so much. So the number itself is the biggest factor. Smallest and biggest factor covered? Yes? Okay. And I used one word, finite. Finite means something which you can count, right? Fixed numbers, not going on and on and on. No. Fixed numbers. That is finite, something which we can count, right? So we did 3 things about factors. 1 is the smallest factor of any given number, natural numbers we are talking about. Then the number itself is the biggest factor of itself, of any given number. And there are finite number of factors which we can count. We don't have n number of factors. No, it is not like that. Every number has factors and fixed number of factors. Clear, all of you? Then, yes, Arjun, thank you so much. Very good. So what about multiples? Children, my language is clear to everyone? My voice? Am I audible clearly? And my handwriting, because I'm writing with a DigiPen, so it is not as good as we write in notebook or paper. Okay, Aishas, thank you so much. My handwriting is legible. You can understand my handwriting, beta, all of you? If you understand, just show me a thumbs up. My handwriting, if you can understand. Okay. Okay. We'll continue. So we are talking about multiples. So Aishas has already written. What are multiples, children? Name itself is giving us the answer. Right? You multiply and get multiples. We were talking about factors of 8. Let us talk about multiples of 8. So 8 when multiplied by 8 gives us 8. 8 when multiplied by 2 gives us 16. 8 when multiplied by 10 gives us 80. 8 when multiplied by 40 gives us 320, and so on and on and on and on. Right? So whenever we are multiplying 8 with some number, we are getting some answer. All these answers, they are, yes, Arjun, excellent, beta. So all these answers that we are getting when we are multiplying 8 with some number, all these answers, they are multiples of 8, right? So can we stop? If I write 8 multiplied by 10, somebody will say, okay, ma'am, we will multiply 8 by 11. Somebody will say we can multiply 8 by 1000. Somebody will say we will multiply 8 by 10,000. Anything. Yes. So multiples are infinite. Yes, Aishaz, I could read what you were saying. Yes. Multiples are infinite, right? Multiples will go on and on and on and on. So we have many multiples, which we can't even count. Yes, that is infinite. So factors are finite, multiples are infinite. Clear? All of you? Right? So what is the smallest multiple of any number? Smallest multiple is 0. Arjun, yes, that's a good question. I'm coming to that. Okay. Tell me, smallest multiple of any number. Number itself. Okay, Johan. Anybody else? 2. Riddhi Singh, 2. Okay. Okay, number itself. Anything new. Missing number itself. Okay, so the number itself is the smallest multiple of itself, right? Because we are multiplying it with 1. Now, if I go a step back and if I multiply 8 with 0, same of any, I get a 0 here, right? When I multiply any number with 0, the product, the answer is 0. So, yes. So, this 0 is not a multiple of any number. Aishas, am I able to answer your query, beta? 0 is not a multiple of any number. 0 is not a multiple. You keep on if I multiply any number with 0, result is going to be 0. So if I just write 0, only 0. Now this 0 belongs to, one will say, no, mera hai. 2 will say, no. If I multiply with 0, it is mine. Somebody will say, 0 is saying, no, sorry. I don't belong to anyone here in this sector, right? So 0 is not a multiple of any number. Is it clear, beta? Aishaz, your doubt is clear? Right? So when we say 0 is not a multiple of any number, the number itself is the smallest multiple. Okay? And when we were talking about factors, the number itself is the biggest factor. Yes? And when it comes to multiples, sabse chota, smallest. Okay? You'll remember this? Clear? Acha, sorry, Arjun's doubt. I'm sorry. Arjun, am I able to answer your query, beta? About 0, is 0 multiple? You got it, Arjun? Okay. So then there are few terms in this chapter like prime, co-prime, twin prime. You remember? So quickly we'll say, what are co-prime numbers, beta? What are co-prime numbers? Can anyone write quickly? Okay, I'll quickly try to answer. When highest common factor, yes, Aisha's very good. When HCF of any two numbers is 1, when highest means there is no common factor only. Let us say 2 and 5. If I'm writing factors of 2, what are factors of 2? 1 and 2. What are factors of 5? 1 and 5. What are the common factors here? 1 is here also, 1 is here also. 1 is factor of every number. We saw that. So, whenever we are talking of common factor, it is just 1. If there are any numbers, let us say I'm taking 18 and 35. Okay, let me write factors of 18. If I'm writing factors of 18, I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 6, I have 9, I have 18. Yes? Am I missing something? All the factors are covered here. If we are talking about factors of 35, we have 1, we have 5, we have 7, and we have 35. Yes, these are factors of 35, children. Okay. So if we want to see common factors, 1 is here also, 1 is here also. 2 is absent, 3 is absent, 5 is absent of 6. So only common factor is 1. Yes. So when only common factor is 1, those numbers are called co-prime numbers. When HCF is 1, or the only common factor between any two numbers is 1, we call them co-prime numbers. Is it clear, children? All of you? What are co-prime numbers? Is it clear? Anyone having doubt about co-prime numbers? All clear? All clear? Now, one tip I want to give. Any two consecutive numbers. Consecutive means numbers which come one after the other. 3, 4, 4, 5, 11, 12, 15, 16, 21, 22, 28, 29. Any two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. You'll remember this so that you can quickly answer. Consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Clear? You'll remember this, you can check. Any two consecutive numbers are always co-prime. Okay. Now, we'll talk about twin prime numbers. Right? Twin prime numbers. Now, what are twin prime numbers? Anyone who can write it in the chat box, because today I won't be able to unmute you. You can quickly write. Riddhi, can you, Arjun, can you switch on the video, beta, so that I can see your face, whether you are able to understand or not? Twin prime, what are twin prime? Children, we all know prime numbers? Yes or no? Do you know prime numbers? Very good, Aishas. Prime numbers, I am asking you for prime numbers. Thumbs up for prime numbers. If you know what are prime numbers, show me a thumbs up. I can see thumbs up from Aisha, Sanvi, Samaira. Okay, Johan is saying yes. Anshuman. Prime number. Okay, prime number. So we will talk about twin prime, not about prime numbers. Now, when we're talking about when we know prime numbers, when the difference between any two prime number is 2, only 2. When difference between any two prime numbers, yes. So when difference between any two prime numbers, like 3 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number, right? So if I subtract 3 from 5, I get 2. So 3 and 5 both are twin prime numbers. Yes, Arjun. Now, if 7 is also a prime number, 7, if I subtract 5 from 7, I get 2. So that means 5 and 7 are both twin prime numbers. They are called twin prime numbers. So any pair of any two prime numbers whose difference is 2, right? Or there is one composite number in between, like here you'll have 4. Here you'll have 6 in between, a composite number. One composite number. Either ways, whatever definition you would like to remember, that is a twin prime number. Children, are you comfortable with what are twin prime numbers? Yes, Aisha is very good. The only prime number is 2. Only even prime number is 2. Only even. After that, if you look at any even number, it cannot be prime because it will be divisible by 2. Every prime number is divisible by 2 and 2 is the only even prime number, right? So twin prime number is clear to everyone. If I talk of 11 and 13, the difference, yes, yes, 7 and 11 are not twin prime. 7 and 11 are not twin prime because if I subtract 7 from 11, the answer is 4. It is not 2. Answer has to be compulsorily mandatory 2 for twin prime numbers. Is it clear, children, till here? Everything? So children, can we move to quick practice questions? Okay, so we move to practice questions. And children, I request you to write the answers directly to Meena. If you're writing to everyone, what will happen? Everyone can see. But I want you to write the answers to Meena. Okay? Okay, I am writing 32 times dash is equal to 30. 3 times dash is equal to 34. 5 times dash is equal to 30. What is the sum of all the missing factors of 30? Sum of all the missing factors of 30. That's very quick, Arjun. I like it. Very good. There are some missing factors. Yes, Aisha's, Arjun. Very good, very good, very good. Sum of all the missing factors of 30 in this question. Yes, Johan, very good. Yes, Anshuman. Yes, Disha. Yes, Riddhi. Try. Yes, Vedant. Very good, Aishas. Samaira, good. You are trying, I can see. Very good. Quickly. Yes, Vedant, excellent. Riddhi, did you understand my question, bacha? I'm asking you. Okay, Arjun, you have a doubt. Okay, sum of all the missing factors here, right? So we will see what are the factors which are missing. 1 times 30 is 30. 2 times 15 is 30. 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 6 is 30. So all the numbers I've written in red, they are factors of 30. You agree? Yes. I saw Johan's thumbs up very quickly. Thank you so much. Now we need sum of all these factors. So if we add, what are we going to get? 6 plus 1 is 11. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. So the answer is 61. 61 is the sum of all the factors that were missing here. Children, did you understand this question? Disha, you are new just now. I think you joined late. So did you understand, bacha? Just show me a thumbs up if you understood. Riddhi, did you understand, beta? Riddhi, I can't see your face, Raja. Arjun, you understood? You had a doubt somewhere. Johan, Vedant, Anshuman, Sanvi, Samaira. Clear, everyone? Can we move to the next question? Okay, Riddhi, no problem. I read that before, that you can't switch on the camera. That's okay. Okay, we move to another question. What is the What is the product of the common factors of 10 and 15? Product. I need product. Answer of multiplication. What is product of common factors? Okay, Aisha, of 10 and 15. So what we have to do, think first we will find common factors and then product. Clear? Try. What is the product of the common factors of 10 and 15? Okay, Arjun, very good. Okay, Riddhi. Yes, Anshuman, very good. Riddhi, please check again. I need answers. Disha, I'm waiting. Vedant, Samayra, Sanvi, I'm waiting. What are factors of 10 children? 1, 2, 5, 10. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. What are the common factors that we see here? 1 is here, 1 is here. 5 is here, 5 is here. Any other common? So product of common factors. Product of common factors is 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. Yes, Riddhi. Thank you so much. Disha, did you understand, Bacha? Johan? Vedant? Acha, Vedant had already answered. Samaira, did you understand? Sanvi, did you understand? Any doubt in the question? All clear till here? Can we move ahead? Okay. So, next question. Okay, easy. ठीक है. Factor tree, you all remember? 48, 2, 24, 2, 1, 2, 2. Is there anything wrong in this factor tree? Is there anything wrong in this factor tree? Right, quickly. Correct, Meena ma'am. Correct, Meena ma'am. I told you we will learn together. Arey, Meena ma'am makes lot of mistakes. Every time. Quickly correct, Meena ma'am. Quickly correct, Meena ma'am. Yes, Johan, Aishaz, Arjun. Yes, Riddhi. Yes, Riddhi. No, Riddhi, I did not understand your answer. Correct, Meena ma'am. Correct, Meena ma'am. बहुत गलती करती है. What, Meena ma'am? What silly mistakes you make? Samara, jaldi, quickly. Find where Meena ma'am is wrong. कितना मजा आता है. When we say, ma'am, there you made a mistake. Okay. 2 into 24 is 48. So this is correct. 2 into 12 is 24. This is correct. 2 times 6 is 12. This is, yes, Samira, very good. 2 into 2 is not equal to 6. Yes, Riddhi, very good. So here it should have been 3. Got it, everyone? Okay, we move to next question. Okay. Children, I am writing some answers here, A, B, C, and D. There are some numbers that I'm writing here. 7. Which of the following is a common factor Common factor of 42 and 84. Common factor of 42 and 84. Yes, yes, yes. See, there's one trick here. Check the divisibility rule. Yes, Arjun. Aishas, I can see the answer. Vedant, I need answer. Johan, I need answer. Anshuman, I need. Okay, Anshuman. Anshuman, check again. Check again. Sanvi, yes, very good. Samaira, I need the answer. Quickly, quickly. Disha, I need the answer. Riddhi, check again. Check again. Okay. See, if I look at this. Okay, Riddhi, good. Yes, Arjun. Yes. Yes, Samaira. So I have got two answers where they are saying there are multiple answers, Meena ma'am, here. It's not just one answer. So now check again, all of you. There are multiple answers. 42 is being divided by 7. 7 times 6. Yes, Anshuman. So 7 is, and 84 is also divisible by 7. 7 into 12, right? So 7 is a common factor. 13 is not. 28 is not. 4 is yes. If I can I divide 42 by 4? फंस गए, फंस गए, फंस गए. Who all wrote 4? Is 42 divisible by 4? Check the last digit. I told you, divisibility rule. We don't have to write all, we don't have to find all the factors, children. We will waste time. These are the tips and tricks which we have to follow now. We have to be fast. We have to navigate with short methods. We will not find all the factors. Are you getting me here? Here, our aim is not to find the factors. We look at the answers. Okay, 13, 7, 28, 4. Are these numbers divisible by these numbers? We will check that. Are you all getting it? Children, clear, everyone? 42 is not divisible by 4. Many of you had written 4. Are you comfortable with the answer now? The only answer here is 7. Okay? Meena ma'am, phasati phasna nahi hai. Right? Challenge Meena ma'am. Meena ma'am, no, no, no. Okay? We'll move to another question now. What is the difference between fifth multiple of 7 and seventh multiple of 5? Very good. That's quick. Aishas, Johan, very good. Yes, Arjun, very good. Good, 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 good. Quick, 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 quick. Sanvi, check again, check again. Yes, Riddhi, Anshuman, very good. What is the fifth multiple of 7, children? Fifth multiple of 7 is 5 times 7, which is 35. Anshuman, check again, bacha. And seventh multiple of 5 means 7 times 5, which is also 35. Difference means subtract. Answer will be yes, Samaira. Very good. Yes, Vedant. Very good. Children, are you understanding what type of questions are expected in level 2 and how we have to approach these questions? It is not a lot of calculation always, right? Sometimes we have to think and answer quickly. We'll learn that together. Right? Are you okay with that, children? Right? Do you want more questions? Okay. Okay, again, I'll be writing some answers, some options, and then I'll ask the question. Third multiple of 9. If you get confused, I'm reading so that you can understand. Fifth multiple of 4. Seventh multiple of 3. Fourth multiple of 6. Which is the greatest among the following? Third multiple of 9, fifth multiple of 4, seventh multiple of 3, fourth multiple of... Okay, Arjun, Aishaz, very good. That's quick. Which is the greatest among these? That is the question. I got 2 answers. I need more answers. Greatest of these 4. Johan, buck up, buck up, buck up. Yes, Vedant. Yes, Sanvi. Yes, 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 yes. You are there. Yes, yes, Vedant. So, children, if we see what is the third multiple of 9 means 3 times 9, which is 27. Fifth multiple of 4 is 4 times 5 times 4 is 20. Seventh multiple of 3 is 21. What happened? And fourth multiple of 6, I have been disconnected from one gadget. Fourth multiple of 6 is 24. So which one is the biggest? 3 times 9 is 27. So A is the biggest one, right? So correct answer of the question is A. Did you all get it, children? Do you find the questions interesting? And did you understand the way I'm teaching you? Is it okay? Am I very fast? Am I very slow? My language, everything. Is it comfort? Are you all comfortable with that, children? Okay, so children, see you all tomorrow. This was just a demo session for today where we practiced just a few questions so that you could understand my language, my writing, my speed and everything. And what are we expecting from level 2, right? Because you all have cleared level 1 and we are going to level 2. So it will be more of practice questions. Are you all okay with that? Right? So see you all tomorrow, 5 p.m. Right? Till then, bye-bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. Love you all.